Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily handwriting on the character Wang or Wang. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write Wang. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as Wang or Wang. As Wang, it means great, the king. This is also a Chinese surname, Wang. As Wang, it means to rule, to reign over. For example, 王子 Prince. What if the prince breaks up with her? What if? The prince breaks up with her. 如果有一天王子提出分手怎么办？如果有一天王子提出分手 break up 怎么办？ What if the prince breaks up with her? 如果有一天王子 prince 提出分手，怎么办？ What if the prince breaks up with her? 如果有一天王子提出分手怎么办？王 in cursive. Wang, great, the king, or surname Wang. Wang, to rule, to reign over. 王子 prince. What if the prince breaks up with her? 如果有一天王子提出分手怎么办？王 Please comment any sentence with the character Wang. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.